Hello everyone. Welcome back to Lin House, where we explore cozy and inspiring home designs. Today, we're taking you on a journey to a tiny mushroom-shaped house that blends gracefully into a lush, vibrant garden. This charming little home is all about soft curves, natural harmony, and peaceful living. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this whimsical yet realistic design adventure. This mushroom-shaped house draws inspiration from nature's gentle curves. Its soft, flowing lines mirror the organic shapes of plants and flowers around it. The idea is to create a space that feels like it grew naturally from the garden. Every detail, from the roof to the exterior walls, whispers simplicity and charm. It's a celebration of natural elegance in miniature form. The design emphasizes harmony with the surroundings rather than standing out. The house sits quietly among the greenery, inviting you to pause and enjoy its peaceful presence. Its compact form ensures that it never overwhelms the garden. Light dances softly across its curved surfaces, enhancing the sense of warmth and comfort. It's architecture that hums in tune with nature. Softness defines every aspect of this home, from its rounded edges to the gentle slope of the roof. Unlike sharp lines and rigid angles, this shape encourages relaxation and calm. It feels approachable, almost like a tiny hideaway from the busy world. The garden wraps around it like a protective embrace. Every glance evokes a smile and a sense of tranquility. Minimalism and whimsy combine in the choice of materials and colors. Earthy tones and natural textures make the house feel organic and grounded. Green hues echo the garden foliage, creating seamless visual continuity. It's a design that balances simplicity with imagination. Visitors immediately feel welcomed into this serene microcosm. Above all, the concept celebrates small-scale living without sacrificing beauty. Every curve, every line, tells a story of thoughtful design. The house inspires creative use of space while keeping life uncluttered. Its charm lies not in grandeur, but in the gentle invitation to slow down. This is a home that nurtures both body and soul. Stepping into this tiny mushroom house feels like entering a storybook. Soft light filters through the windows, casting a warm glow inside. The curves of the walls invite lingering and introspection. It's impossible not to feel a sense of calm and contentment here. The home seems alive, in harmony with the garden outside. Nature becomes an integral part of daily life. Birds sing outside the windows, flowers sway in the breeze, and greenery frames every view. The house acts as a gentle lens, enhancing the beauty of its surroundings. Each moment here encourages mindfulness and appreciation of small joys. Living becomes an experience of peaceful connection with the environment. The architectural softness influences the mood profoundly. Rounded forms evoke comfort, security, and intimacy. They encourage quiet conversations and reflective moments. The house feels cozy without feeling confined. Its emotional resonance is subtle yet deeply grounding. This design fosters creativity and inspiration. The whimsical shape sparks curiosity and imagination. Whether reading a book, sketching, or simply daydreaming, the space encourages playful thinking. It blends functionality with emotional uplift. Life inside feels as delightful as the garden it inhabits. Every glance outside reminds you of the interconnectedness of home and nature. The garden's beauty enhances the sense of well-being. Morning light, evening shadows, and the changing seasons become part of the daily experience. Living here is a lesson in observation and gratitude. This house nurtures both imagination and mindfulness. The mushroom house is designed to merge seamlessly with its surroundings. It doesn't dominate, but rather complements the lush greenery around it. Flowers, shrubs, and gentle pathways guide the eye and the spirit. Outdoor spaces feel like extensions of the home itself. Every element works in quiet, elegant collaboration. Its placement encourages exploration and discovery in the garden. Tiny corners, soft nooks, and hidden pathways invite wandering. The home becomes a focal point without stealing attention. The garden's vibrancy and diversity enhance the overall experience. Together, house and garden create a living, breathing sanctuary. Thoughtful integration of natural materials strengthens the harmony. Wood, stone, and subtle colors echo the textures of the landscape. Sustainability is part of the design ethos, fostering respect for the environment. The home feels rooted, yet effortlessly gentle. It's a model for mindful living in small, eco-friendly spaces. The relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces is fluid. Curved windows and doors frame views of the garden at every angle. Light, shadow, and greenery become design elements themselves. Living here blurs the line between inside and outside. Nature and architecture exist in delightful equilibrium. Ultimately, this mushroom house embodies peace and balance. Its presence elevates the garden while remaining humble. It's a place for quiet reflection, creativity, and connection with nature. Harmony guides every choice, from shape to setting. It's a tiny home with a big impact on well-being and imagination. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the tiny mushroom house. We hope you felt inspired by its soft curves, natural charm, and peaceful harmony with the garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Linh House for more cozy and whimsical home inspirations. We can't wait to explore more magical designs with you next time. Until then, stay inspired and enjoy the beauty in small spaces.